Hello everyone, this is Chemniverse. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Life can take a toll on your energy level. There are many things to recharge your energy. In this video, we are going to learn about some natural vitamins and supplements essential for your body. Coenzyme Q10. Coenzyme Q10 is made naturally in the body. Our body's cell uses coenzyme Q10 to make energy and protect themselves from oxidative damage. Lack of coenzyme Q10 will cause exhaustion and fatigue. Meat, fish, and nuts contain coenzyme Q10, but not in large enough amounts. So you are advised to talk to your health advisor and take the coenzyme Q10 supplement in the necessary amount. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is a famous Indian natural Ayurvedic medicine. It is also known as Indian ginseng. It increases energy by enhancing the body's resilience to physical and mental stress. Supplementing with ashwagandha may be an easy and effective way to improve your health and quality of life. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is naturally made in the body. It helps transform the food you eat into energy that your cells can use. Lacking it causes anemia, which means the production of an abnormally large red blood cell that cannot function properly. There are many symptoms of lacking vitamin B12, like pale yellow tinge to your skin, a sore and red tongue, mouth ulcers, pins and needles, disturbed vision, irritability, depression, and so on. It is found naturally in a variety of animal proteins, meat, fish, and dairy products. You can also drink vitamin B12 booster if your body seriously lacks it. Iron. Iron is one of the most abundant metals on the Earth's crust. Your body also needs it in the various physiological procedure. Mainly, the body requires it to make hemoglobin, a part of the red blood cell, which delivers oxygen to our whole body. Lacks of iron in your body will cause dementia. Taking iron supplements is risky for your body. Consult your doctor before taking supplements. Creatine. Creatine is an organic compound. This species exists in various modifications in solution. Creatine is found in vertebrates, where it facilitates the recycling of adenosine triphosphate, the energy currency of the cell, primarily in muscle and brain tissue. It acts as a source of quick energy in your body. Quick energy means energy for short sprints, powerful bursts of activity, weightlifting, etc. Bodybuilders, weightlifter, and athletes can take a minimal amount of creatine supplements as a booster. Excessive creatine can cause you several minor problems like diarrhea, muscle cramping, nausea, dehydration, weight gain, dizziness, etc. Caffeine with L-theanine. Caffeine is commonly consumed for its energy-boosting properties in the form of coffee, tea, cocoa beverages, energy drinks, and sodas. However, excessive consumption may lead to irritability, nervousness, restlessness, and a crash after its energy boost. In the end, you must take a health supplement at some point in your life. Take extra caution when taking them. Some dietary supplements can help you get adequate amounts of essential nutrients if you don't eat a nutritious variety of foods. However, supplements can't take the place of a variety of foods that are important to a healthy diet. To learn more about what makes a healthy diet, the renowned dietary guidelines are good sources of information. That's it for today. Take care.